Opening morning 2023. Everybody out. We're about to head out as soon as Jeff's done taking a poop up there behind that trailer. Breakfast of champions. So cheers, good luck to everybody. The crew, we're about to start. It's just about right light right now. Oh, I even hear turkeys in the background. Get it? Well, here we are, opening day. A little over an hour into it. I took a shot, missed. See about 4 or 5 shooters come through a little bit hot at the top of that ridge right there. A little too far of a shot. We're just gonna keep sitting anytime soon. Fucking, it's windy today, but there's a buck. Right over there. Right underneath the red bush right there. I spotted him, so pretty decent. I'm gonna head out that way. It's gonna be trudge. We're gonna run here, and down the fence line and up and try and get on top. Wish me good luck. Getting there. He's a ways away, but he's still bedded down over there. The truck was way out over there, so I had to work down the ridge, down through the draw. Now I gotta come up this ridge and around, and he is the next on the other side of that bush over there on top. Let's get it. Well, you know what the name of the game is I hate chucker. Goddamn, they're a good eating bird, but man, sometimes they can screw your stock up. Right, just as I was cresting to where I was gonna have good position on that buck, I was kind of creeping up, and big ol' covey of chucker flew out right in front of me, right over the top of the deer, and they just, boom, took off. So they're on the run over that way. This is what I go hunting way up there when I come back. Oh. There's my 2 hunting partners. Racked out. That's all the wind farm, folks. That's all the stuff we hunt. It's a lot of wind farm. When deer hunting goes shitty sometimes, we shoot pheasant. So, hunting camp dinner. Got chucker today. Chucker all seasoned up, wrapped in caul fat from one of the deer, and on the smoker. 225. It's gonna be yummy. Hunting camp food's rough.
We're gonna do a peach cobbler, and I'm gonna caramelize the peaches with butter and cookie dough whiskey and some sugar. And so once that's happened, then we're all going the pot together with a beer battered pancake mix and everything, and then go into the actual fire in a Dutch oven. Go along with Danny's chucker wrapped in caul fat.
That's why we're fat.
That's why we're fat.
So the chucker seasoned and wrapped in caul fat, how good is it, Jeff?
Good as fuck. Good as fuck.
That's yummy looking stuff. Look at that shit.
Yeah.
Stove still going. We got the cobbler going. Did up some taters. And ate some chucker that's good as fuck. So, Dayton 2023 deer season. Last day of at least our regular Dayton deer camp. Ended in rain. So, we got a couple bucks in camp. Oh, watch my drink. Rain! Couple, there, JC got his doe first year out. It's awesome. So, that's what it's time for. Some Pendleton now. That's how we roll. So, hunting camp 2023, like I already said, we started at Pendleton. Shit's all gone. Shit goes down way too smooth on the final day. There's my brother Jeffrey. Other brother Joshua. God damn, listen to the tunes right there. That's good shit. That's how we end 2023 Dayton hunting camp. Rain on the roof. Love it.